Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Disabling auto run or startup programs on Windows 10 or Windows 11 can drastically improve the performance of your computer. Once you disable unwanted startup programs, the boot time will be very less, and it's very simple. Let's go ahead and do that. In the start icon, just do a right click and click on Task Manager. Once you are in the Task Manager, you will have options like Processes, Performance, App History, and Startup. So we will click on Startup. Now here you can simply click on this Status tab. So here you can sort them by enabled or disabled. Now we just need to select those unwanted applications and just do a right click and click on Disable. Now please make sure that you do not disable Intel graphics or any other graphics you have. So just make sure you're not disabling those. Only the unwanted, unnecessary applications you just need to disable, and once you restart the computer, those applications will not be turned on. And the boot time will be very less. Let me know in the comment section if it has boosted the performance and if you have the less boot time. Please let me know in the comment section, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.